Hello everyone, welcome back to Crown Geek. In this video, I will be explaining that how to fix Windows 11 battery drain issues on your laptop. So if you have recently upgraded to Windows 11 and your battery is taking a lot of usage and it's not giving you a good backup as you were getting before, then you can quickly optimize it. Apply the settings that I'm going to share in this video, and after that you will see a great change and good backup. So let's get started. Number one, what you have to do, you just need to choose power mode to best power efficiency. So just make a right click on the Windows icon and choose settings. Now scroll down a bit and you'll find power and battery, and in the system, click on power and battery. Then scroll down a bit and here you will find power mode. So what you have to do, by default it should be set to balanced or best performance. You have to choose best power efficiency. So this will be just utilizing the low power and give you the more backup. In the next step, we also need to go with battery saver. So click on the battery saver below the power mode, and when it says battery saver, you just need to click here, turn on now. You just need to turn it off. And when it says turn battery saver on automatically at, click on the drop down and choose always. Now in the next step, you have to click on the battery usage, because now we need to find the application that is consuming the more power. So what you have to do, just click on battery usage, scroll down and it will display the list of the application that occupy the most battery. So we can see the Google Chrome here is on the top, occupying 89% of the battery. So what we have to do, we need to just optimize it. We need to choose it to the best power efficiency. So what you have to do, just close everything, make a right click on the Windows icon again, choose settings. Now in the system only, click on display. Now scroll down to the bottom and you will find graphics. Click on graphics. And here where it says search this list, click on the box and type Chrome. And just click on Google Chrome here. And you can see it's set to high performance. So what we have to do, click on options and choose to power saving. Okay. Once done, click on save. And then close this box. Then the next setting, again, just make a right click on the Windows icon, choose settings. Click on display, and here you will find the HDR option. Just click on HDR and scroll down, and here you will find battery options. So in the battery option, it's set to optimize for battery life, but in your end it can be to optimize for image quality. So you have to choose optimize for battery life. So just make sure it's been set to optimize for battery life. Once done, you can close it again. And in the next step, we need to disable the background apps. So you need to keep in mind the background apps running in the background, they also occupy a lot of power. Even if you do not use it or rarely use it, but still they occupy your battery. So how you have to do? So just make a right click on the Windows icon, choose settings. Then click on apps from the left hand menu. Then on apps and features. And now here you will see the list of all the applications running in the background. So now you need to look for all these applications that you don't use. So either you can just disable it, or you can also uninstall the application that you don't use it or you don't need in the future. Alright, like in the 3D Builder, 3D Viewer, 7-zip, I don't use it. So what I click, the 3 dot, choose advanced options. And then here it says let this app run in the background, choose it to never. So same you have to do with all the application that you don't want. Okay, and you want to stop it running in the background, you can do that. Now in case if you want to uninstall any application like Audacity, I have here, I don't use it, so simply instead of disabling it, I can also go ahead and uninstall it. Okay, so after doing this, what will happen, that the apps running in the background that you don't use, they will not occupy the power anymore and give you the more backup. Okay, so this is how you have to spend some time here. Take your time, look for all the application that you don't use, disable it, or the one that you never wanted, you can also uninstall it. Once done, close it. And in the next step, we need to disable the fast startup from your PC. Now keep in mind, this step is only for the user who need a very good power management, okay? Because this will also your computer quickly, to work faster. So if you don't need that and you want to focus more on the battery, then you can just disable the power, this fast startup. How you can do that? It's very easy. Just press Windows and R key, Windows plus R, R as in Romeo all together. The run box will be coming at the left hand corner. Just type Powercfg.cpl. The power plan will be coming up. Now on the very left hand menu, you will see choose what the power plan does. Click on it. And here it says turn on fast startup recommended. And you can see this helps start your PC faster after shutdown. Restart isn't it effective. So once your PC has been shut down, whenever you restart it, it comes quickly, but it also takes more power. So if you don't need this feature, you can just disable it so that it can reduce the power consumption. So to disable it, you need to click here, change settings that are currently unavailable, and just uncheck this option and then click on save changes. Alright, once done, just minimize it. And in the next step, you have to choose the power optimized plan. Okay, so this is another important part that you need to apply. So for that, again, press Windows and R key, choose type Powercfg.cpl. Now you can see it's been set to ultimate performance or high performance. Then you have to go with the battery saver. I have already disabled that option, but in your case, you can see that you can either go with balanced or you can go with power saver. Okay, so choose that plan. Don't need to restart anything. After applying all the settings, then we will be restarting the PC. So close it. And in the last step, we have to run the power troubleshooter to find out if there is any problem with the PC. So it's very simple. Just make a right click on the Windows icon again, choose settings, scroll down a bit, and then choose troubleshoot, then choose other troubleshooter. And now here you have to look for the power. Here it is. Now click on run, and this will detect any problem if there is any with the power management or with the power that's taking more consumption. So you can see it says set power plan to a more efficient power plan. Okay, I have not done that, so it's giving me this option. I have already told you that you need to choose a power efficient plan from the power management. Apply the fix, and that's it. If it gives you any other recommendation, apply that. Then close it, restart your PC, and you will see that the power consumption will be reduced and the backup of your laptop will be increased. Hopefully this will help you guys, and if yes, make sure that you hit the like button, subscribe to the channel for more related videos in the future. Thank you so much.